Florida home of former U.S. President Donald Trump has been searched by the FBI. The ex-president attacked the raid as a weaponization of the justice system. The FBI and Justice Department have declined to comment, as Mike Hanna reports from Washington.
The former president was staying at his apartment in Manhattan when the raid took place and was seen leaving Trump Tower and walking towards waiting cars. According to the former president, his home in Mar-a-Lago, Florida, was raided by a large group of FBI agents who, he alleges, also opened the safe in his home. His statement says, "After working and cooperating with the relevant government agencies, this unannounced raid on my home was not necessary or appropriate." The Justice Department has declined to comment on the matter, including about whether Attorney General Merrick Garland had personally authorized the search. Previously, the National Archives and Records Administration had referred the discovery of 15 boxes of classified information at Mar-a-Lago to the Justice Department for investigation.
No former president has faced a judicial determination that it is likely that they have committed a crime. Judges do not sign off on warrants for anyone lightly. They always believe that it is likely that a crime has been committed and that it has been committed at this specific location. So this is genuinely an unprecedented event.
The House January 6 committee, which is investigating the invasion of the Capitol on that day, had also heard evidence about the removal of classified documents when Trump left office. There were also claims that when Trump was president, he had repeatedly shredded or disposed of classified material after reading it. The destruction or removal of classified documents to an unauthorized location is a federal offense. Mike Hanna, Al Jazeera, Washington.
Well, Richard Painter is former chief ethics lawyer for President George W. Bush. He says the raid is very significant.
The FBI would not have sought a search warrant. A judge would not have signed a search warrant if there weren't probable cause for the FBI to search the premises in search of documents that would disclose a serious crime. And I would think that it wouldn't just concern the crime of taking federal documents out of the White House, but other crimes as well, in particular, the crime of sedition, the attempt to overturn the 2020 election, which that plan was going on ever since the election, November, December, January, up to the January 6th insurrection. After the election, his attempt to overturn the election results involved meetings at the White House talking about sending the military in to redo the election, pressure put on the Justice Department to declare the election invalid, the January 6th insurrection and his role in that. So there was a lot of evidence that he participated in the attempt to reverse the election, sedition. It's a criminal offense, and that evidence may very well be in those boxes that were removed from the White House.